Great little significant increase in revenue and net profit over that period of time as well, which has been awesome.
Coaching's been great. It's been, I guess, someone to talk to about the day-to-day struggles of running a small business and going through all those hurdles and growth pains. It's been really nice to learn some extra systems and ways to think and attack the problems, how to scale, how to use leverage, how to know what to care about and what not to care about, and I guess when to focus how much energy on what specific topic. But yeah, I think personally for me, the best thing's been a sounding board on someone with more experience. So that's what I've really enjoyed. I think one of the major bottlenecks was increasing the internal labour force in the workshop. We run a labour force on site and we run a labour force in the workshop, and the workshop guys are the ones that do all the technical engineering work, and we just had more work than we could keep up with. So I guess the strategy of employing 2 people instead of 1, and then cut your losses and keep the good one, and inevitably you grow faster than you can review, and you end up employing more than you're letting go because you're employing good people. But I guess just adding that additional labour to the workforce, to the workshop, and trying to solve that bottleneck of getting work through the shop faster and back to the client. That was a good one to reflect on. Yeah, I think when you and I first started working together, I had 1 person in the shop, had a 50% capacity. I guess now we have 3 to 4 people in the shop. 100% capacity. Probably need another one. I think there were many achievements. You know what I mean? We pretty much, almost doubled our revenue in 12 months. We pushed our profit margin up. But I think probably the single most impactful thing I noticed was just we bought a $500,000 machine, and it was the thought process on how to cash flow forecast, how to finance, how to bring that machine in, and how to structure that whole large asset procurement. It's the biggest amount of money we've ever spent, and it was nice to do it with somebody to help guide you, or throw considerations out there. So the experience I went through then has helped me set a minimum cash flow limit in my transaction account. So I forced myself to run my transaction account nice and low, and push that money into profit projects, just to stay lean and keen, because I guess we saw it work when we funneled all the money into the machine purchase. So yeah, it was a good one. Yeah, definitely I would. You have a engaging, educated approach, which comes, which has a lot of solid content, but it also has a real, you develop an emotional connection, and, it feels like you're working with somebody who's really guiding you, not telling you what to do. I definitely recommend your services, Chris. You've really been good to work with. I've enjoyed it.
Awesome. Thank you, mate.